Hello everyone, my name is Japandra Kenakim. I am student at Bina Sarana Informasi. In this video, I want give my opinion on government and its role society. In my opinion, the government plays a very important role in the life of every citizen. A good government can help people live better, safer, and more organized life. On the other hand, a weak or corrupt government can cause a lot of problems for its people. First, I believe that the government should be responsible for providing basic services like education, healthcare, transportation, and security. These are things the most people cannot get on their own, and it's the government's duty to make sure everyone has access to them. For example, public schools and public hospitals help people who don't have a lot of money still get a good education and proper medical care. Second, the government should protect the rights of its citizens. This means making laws that are fair and treating everyone equally. No matter if someone is rich or poor, or what their background is. The government should protect them and make sure they are not treated unfairly. When people feel protected and respected by their government, they are more likely to trust and support it. Another important role of the government is to manage the country economy. By creating jobs, supporting small business, and managing tax wisely, the government can reduce poverty and improve the quality of life for its people. Government should also take care of natural resources and protect the environment, so that future generation can enjoy clean air, water, and nature. Of course, government are not perfect. Sometimes there are leaders who cares more about power or money than about helping the people. That's why I think it's very important for the government to be transparent and for the people to be able to speak up and ask questions. Freedom of speech and democracy help prevent corruption and allow people to choose leaders who really want to make difference. Also, I believe the government should listen more to young people. Many decisions made today will affect the future generation the most, like decisions about the environment or education. Young people have ideas, energy, and hope, and I think their voice should be heard more in politics. In conclusion, a strong and fair government can make life better for everyone. It should focus on serving the people, not controlling them, and we as citizens also have a responsibility to stay informed, speak up, and vote for leaders who truly care. Only by working together, the people and the government can we build a better future. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the most basic but also the most important things in English grammar, the simple present tense. Now, don't worry, this isn't going to be a boring grammar class. I'll keep it simple, fun, and easy to understand. So let's go. So first of all, what is the simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to talk about things that happen regularly, facts or general truths. For example, I woke up at 6 a.m. The sun rises in the east. She worked in a bank. So it's not about something happens right now. It's about things that happen in general or ever and ever again. When do we use it? There are a few main situations where we use the simple present. Habits or routines like I brush my teeth every morning. He goes to the gym on Sunday. Fake or general truths. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Dogs bark. Schedules or timetable. This one might surprise you, but we also use it for things like the train leave at 9 p.m. My class start at 10. Even talk is about the future, the schedule is fixed. So we use the simple present. How do we use it? The structure. Now let's talk about how to actually use it. The basic formula is the subject plus best verb for more subject, but when the subject is he, she, or it, we actually add s or es to the verb. So let me give you example. I eat breakfast at 7. You play the guitar. He eats breakfast at 7. See the S at the end, the eat. She watches Netflix every night. Watch becomes watches. So remember for he, she, it, the verb change a little. And for negative sentence, we use don't or doesn't. Like, I don't like coffee. He doesn't play football. Notice that when we use doesn't, the verb goes back to the normal, no as needed. What about question? Great question. To make a question in simple present tense, we use do or does at the beginning. Do you speak English? Do she like pizza? And again in question, the main verb stays in its best form. Now, common mistakes to avoid. Let me point out some common mistakes people make with simple present tense. Adding s to the wrong subjects, like they walks to school. The correct one is they walk to school. Forget the s for she, he, she, it, like she go to work at 8. The correct is she goes to work at 8. Using the verb helping verb in negative or question. The wrong is he don't like tea. The correct is he doesn't like tea. They are some small thing, but they make a big difference. And that's all. That's the simple present tense in Nas. I hope this helped clear things about a bit. If you want to get better at use it, just try talking about your daily routine in English. Thanks for watching. And if you find this helpful, feel free to like and share it. So, see you.